I really hate it when I think I'm recording. So let's do this again. So this is the Buck 110 Slim in blue. Deep carry, tip up, left or right. I like how they put the screws in on the holes here. Lock back in the back. It is not centered. I have no issues with this clip. Dual thumb studs. No jumping. I like this blue. I'd love to find a 112, Buck 112 in blue. Yeah, no jumping. That does not count. It's a little sharp here, but you're not going to feel that using that knife. The knife, you actually have to do this, and it doesn't hurt at all. So, yeah, there you go. The Buck 110 Slim in blue.